Hello folks, today we're going to be making a pork loin wrapped in bacon. Here we have some applewood rub, putting that on the pork loin there. Ain't coming out fast enough, so let's just open it on up there. What we're going to do, we're going to rub that down real good with that. Turn it over here in a second. Get a little piece of that plastic off there. Oh, stuck my finger. Get that off there. Alrighty, just mash that in there. Gonna pour some oil into a cast iron skillet. This is an easy recipe again, folks. And we was quite pleased at the end result. Gonna preheat the oven here to 400, I believe. Yep. Now we're gonna lay some bacon down here. Lay this on there. Take one piece, wrap it around the end there, and then we're just gonna fold the other pieces up over it. Gonna take a toothpick to hold it in there where it hold it in place. Just stretch that bacon around it there. That toothpick will lock it in place there, hold it. Leave them sticking out good there where you can see where there was a toothpick. Make sure you get them all out. We've got the skillet over there warming up right now with that oil in there. Set that down in that oil. We've done it about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. Just brown the bacon up a little bit. Alrighty, gonna flip that thing over there again now. You can see that bacon browned up pretty good there. Now we're going to make a glaze. What I did, I used about a half a cup of apple jelly. Put just a little bit more in there. Yep, there we go. Put that there in the pan, pot. Now I'm going to get some yellow mustard. There's the apple jelly. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard in there. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of coarse black pepper. That'll be coming up here in just a second. There we go. And then just turn the heat on there. Melt it down a little bit. And then we're going to paint that on top of that there. It actually come out pretty good, folks. Paint that on there. Sugar in the jelly there, it'll caramelize a little bit. Now these here are some taters we dug out of the garden. I didn't eat a whole lot of taters. They was good. Just rub a little bit of olive oil on there. We got some coarse salt. We'll sprinkle that on there. Let them be a baking while the roast is a baking. We wound up cooking this roast. It worked out to about an hour and 35 minutes. About halfway through, we painted it again with the glaze. And there's what it looks like there coming out of the oven for the final time. Like I said, folks, it was a quick, simple, easy meal, but tasted real good. If y'all stuck with us this long, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and have a blessed day. There's the finished plate. There's beans out of the garden. It's good. Thank you again for watching.